that Hindi is our national language. Speaking a wrong language in a wrong state can get you beaten, assault to express myself in any language. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಭಾಷೆದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. काम नहीं मिल रहा है, डेवलपमेंट कम है, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं भाषा के नाम पर फाइट जरूर कर सकता हूँ. गवर्नमेंट को क्वेश्चन नहीं करूँगा बाकी चीज पर. Less jobs, less development. Why should I worry? I will pick a fight over a person who doesn't speak my language. Because in India, abusing someone for not speaking the regional language is now a political branding. Negative marketing is also good because that gives you good TV time, good footage and votes. We have reached a point in India where speaking a wrong language in a wrong state can get you beaten, assaulted, silenced, threatened. And no, this is not just a South India problem. This is a pan-India. You better be ready to get slapped, filmed and go viral for all the wrong reasons. This hatred is not new. It's not regional. It's systematic. It's pan-India. Let's clear the fog. Our constitution never declared that Hindi is our national language. It's one of the official languages, and there are 22 official languages in Schedule 8 of the Constitution of India 1950. Yes, constitutional framers favored Hindi to be promoted as a bridge language across the states in India. Yet many states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, northeastern states, West Bengal opposed this, and they termed it as Hindi imposition. Maybe for a good reason. Language is an identity and the regional language should be protected. But now it's becoming ammunition to torture the people. And this didn't started yesterday. It has been burning since 1950s. 1961 Silchar. More than 10 people died. 11 Bengalis shot dead for opposing Assamese. In 1938 and 1965, anti-Hindi riots in Tamil Nadu. More than 70 people died in the anti-Hindi riots. 1948 Guwahati. Bengali speakers got lynched. 1967 Bihar. More than 150 people got killed in Urdu-related violence. In 1994, a Urdu bulletin on Doordarshan sparked a riot. More than 20 people dead. यहाँ पर सिर्फ भाषा ही मुद्दा नहीं था, खून से लिखा हुआ एक इतिहास था. अभी रिसेंट में क्या हो रहा है, महाराष्ट्र में MNS के नेता ने एक इंडियन सिटीजन को थप्पड़ मार दिया क्योंकि उसको मराठी नहीं आती, वो भी ऑन कैमरा. शिवसेना UBT burn Hindi government resolution in Pune. In Karnataka, Maharashtra border issues. KRCTC bus driver got assaulted for not speaking in Marathi, and bus services got suspended across the states. You should never forget, हर बार एक ही कहानी होती है. भाषा के नाम पर वोट की पॉलिटिक्स खेलना, वोट की रोटियां सेकना. Language is now a vote bank currency. Stir up emotion, ignite division, go viral, and boom, you are relevant. This politician shouts constitutional rights, regional pride to oppose government against its policies or any other developmental work, because the job of the opposition is to oppose. But those politicians forget the same constitution gives every citizen the right to speak, move, trade and live anywhere in India. I want to advise them, don't pick parts of constitution like a restaurant menu. If you worship a constitution, worship it fully, because constitution give me right to express myself in any language. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಭಾಷೆದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, कोई भी language में बात कर सकता हूँ. Yeah, but I will not hurt the regional language. And you know what is the real solution if anyone actually cares. Please listen to me. Don't harass them. Don't threaten them. Don't beat them. You want to promote your language, maybe Kannada, Tamil, Marathi, Malayalam, or all 22 official languages, any other languages. Sponsor a learning program. Sponsor a course. Teach them. Conduct study classes. Conduct weekend classes. Who is stopping you? You are from a political party. You have the funds. You have a time to beat them. Then you have a time to conduct a study classes. To teach regional language to migrants. Teach with pride, but don't use fists. अपनी भाषा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए किसी और भाषा को गिराना जरूरी नहीं है. And let me be clear, I'm not a political expert. I am a lawyer by profession and I believe in India's soul. Unity in diversity. Every 100 kilometer, language changes, dialect changes. Even within one state, there are multiple languages. Example, in Karnataka, Kannada, Tulu, on Goa-Karnataka borders, Konkani. If you're going to beat someone for not speaking in your language, you're not protecting culture, you are destroying it and the respect towards the state. ನೀವು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ कौन आपको मना कर रहा है लैंग्वेज क्लासेस लेने से लैंग्वेज isn't your weapon use it like a bridge and not a bomb if you learned something please hit the like button and for such more content please subscribe to Law Gardener and support me. I am Nirmal Kumar Jain and will get back to you soon with one more video.